All right, we're gonna make 3 cards in 2 minutes. First, we're going to take Boho Blooms and the Bohemian Dream paper, and we're gonna stamp each one on a different piece of paper. Isn't it beautiful? No coloring, no nothing, just stamping it on some patterned, beautiful Boho Dreams paper. Then we're gonna cut them all down to size, leaving a little bit around the edge. Then we're just gonna take a scissors and do some distressing on each square. Then we're gonna take our rectangle die cut and cut out 3 scalloped edges and just adhere the stamped images to the newsletter background. Then we're going to take our distress ink, I always use Vintage Photo, and distress each one of the squares. Now we're going to make this fun background. You always tear towards you so that you have a nice little edge to distress on. And so I just took a big piece of paper and cut each one down to 4 1/4 so it fit the width of a card. Then I went ahead and distressed. You know, we love this part. It is so relaxing to distress up the paper. You can see the edges curl, and that's kind of what I wanted. I just wanted this nice wrinkled vintage look. You kind of just got to hold in on the edges to make it curl like that so it doesn't rip, and just have some fun with it. Now we're gonna assemble. I took each square and put it on the vintagey piece of paper like so. And then we took this brand new stamp set from Unity called So, and just stamped a sentiment on each one of the bottom of the card, excuse me. And then we did some embossing. Super, super fun. Now we just went ahead and took our Nuvo drops and completed the look with the little paper clip, now available also at Unity. Each one has a different sentiment. They're a little bit snarky, and voila. Thanks for watching.